Sphere 3D stock has not benefited from the relentless push of Bitcoin. We know that Bitcoin has been rallying for some weeks now. It's currently trading at around $36,000 for one Bitcoin. And Sphere 3D, we all know very well, also mines a lot of Bitcoin. Hasn't really benefited from that. The news that came out today, the 9th of November, is that the company has mined 69.2 Bitcoin or mined 69.2 Bitcoins in October of that is last month, up 8.8% from September and up 535% year on year. And the company is looking forward, or rather they're expecting curtailments to continue to improve as they progress further into the winter months. They intend to bring an additional 1,000 miners online in the next 30 to 60 days. And there isn't any skepticism. There's no skepticism towards the stock. So maybe market participants are not doubtful. They probably believe in all that they're saying, but it hasn't really the rally on Bitcoin itself, which is the fundamental of what they are doing, is not has not translated to anything on the stock itself. We can see what's going on here. I would say from around September, I want to believe, or at least the whole of October, Bitcoin was showing strength. Indeed, at various points, as Sphere 3D or ANY stock showed some strength. We can see that here sometime in October, got the resistance at its 50-day moving average and fell back. Maybe those who bought at this sort of level were taking their money off the stock, but it's gradually started to show some strength now, just gradually inching up. At least since the 2nd of November, it's been inching up. So I would say since the 2nd of November, that's about a week ago, probably 5 trading sessions, maybe out of 4 out of that it was rallying. But in any case, it hasn't. You would want to see. You would expect the sort of chart that Bitcoin has to be pretty much like what ANY has, but that's not the case. So this is what we're looking at right now. It is up 3% in this regular session. Only 279,000 shares have crossed the tape. It's very modest, very quiet for the stock today. Very quiet. Not a lot happening. Okay, let's say Sphere 3D provides October 2023 production and operation updates. Yeah, not so fantastic. Yeah, this is the 1 minute chart for the stock, so we can quickly go and have a look and see what the projections on the stock is. This is the 1 day chart. So strength is projected up to the peak of, on its 1 day moving average, up to $1.3. Strength is projected on its 10-day moving average up till, this is the daily chart, up till Wednesday the 15th of November. And then after that it will cool off it's projected to cool off to 1.16. All of those even above where it is right now, because as you can see, it's now trading at $1.03. So but if anything, this is where it got that resistance. I want to believe it's at $1.44. So there's a good chance that a rebound may be on the cards. I mean, I can't exactly say that is absolutely what's going to happen, but you never know. I mean, there's every reason why that should be the case. Bitcoin has just been doing well for a couple of weeks now, more than a month. So it won't be out of place if Sphere 3D's stock does the same thing. It won't be out of place to expect that what we are currently looking at right now is probably a modest rebound. But in any case, if that happens, there are other projections here. We have $1.3, that is $1.25, and then there is there's also 1.58. Before that there is 1.44, and all the way towards 1. Let's see, all the way towards 1.72, 1.91, 2.19, and all the way towards $2.94 on this daily chart for Sphere 3D. On the weekly chart, let's see, what the medium-term projection is. Okay, we have the most upper projection, really ambitious, 124.94. All of these are really ambitious, but you never know. At some point in its lifetime, it might get there. So 80.23 is another one. So these are really a lot of ambitious projections out there on the stock. So let's have a look at the 1 month, 45-minute chart. We might see what has happened in this session. So at some point in this session, I want to believe it reached the highs of 1.17. I want to believe, in this session it was showing some strength. I want to be, is that the case? No, it was, yes, it started to show some strength when the market right about the time when the market closed. So so indeed in this session it actually reached $1.16 at some point. It has given up all of those gains. So I think the interesting thing about the stock is that it's very not so. I wouldn't say it's a meme stock. I don't think it is. I mean, going by what's going on with it, with the very modest volumes, and there isn't enough skepticism towards the stock. And then fundamentally, Bitcoin is also doing well, which is the basis of the company's fundamentals. So. Maybe some gradually quietly taking up positions in the stock. I'm just having that feeling, but it's not about how I feel or what my instincts are, so but just if you're really keen on it, have a look at and see what you're going to make of it, and see what's going to come out of it, so once again, upper projections all the way towards 1.4. I think from where it is right now, we have 1.3, 1.25, 1.44, and going all the way towards 1.72, 1.91, 2.14, and 2.9. So the other reasons why it's looking good, it has it's gradually showing strength, picked it up from this 52-week low of 0.92 that it printed on the 1st of November, and at least for the last 5 trading sessions it's been up it's that will be 4 out of 5 trading sessions showing positive in 4 out of 5 trading sessions. So that can be construed as a buying opportunity, as an indication that maybe something might come out, as an indication or grounds for some market participants to take up new positions, and see what's going to come out of it. In any case, have a look and see what you make of ANY stock, Sphere 3D stock, and thank you very much for watching this video.